So Carlton, as this developer community has grown, you're really moving beyond mobility applications into kind of a different realm with connected car and digital life. What are some of the new challenges and opportunities, perhaps around security or other themes that we need to be thinking about?
Well, while some of these are still tied to the mobile experience, often you will relate to these new environments with a mobile phone. Some of these applications are running, in the environments themselves, and there are different issues to be confronted if you're running in a house or in a car than if you're running on someone's phone. Security is a big one. Another is how to just handle the data, moving the data around that's gathered in one place and used in another place, and how do you authenticate and identify that data and move it most efficiently. And frankly, those answers aren't all out there yet. Part of what we'll try to do in our developer program is help these new communities find what those good answers are, and then once we find good solutions, we'll evangelize about those and distribute those and teach about those through our programs.
As you meet with the developer community and you introduce them to the telco world, what are some of the specific, maybe one or two biggest challenges that you find yourself educating developers on so they can be more effective in the kind of telco world?
Well, one of the great successes that we had in the last couple of years with one of those efforts was a tool set that we have that's called Arrow. It's a diagnostic tool set that allows you to measure the data efficiency of a mobile app. So mobile application developers really kind of felt independent of how efficient their application was. Wasn't really their concern, wasn't really their problem, until we started showing them that the customer cared. The customer is paying for the data, and the customer would make a buying decision based on data efficiency. We got a lot of people to start using the tool set, and it was a win-win for everybody. It makes for a more efficient use of the network, which means the network works better. It's lower cost for the consumer because they use less data, and it makes the applications themselves more popular. But I don't think before interacting with us, the application developer really realized that was something they should be thinking about.
One final question, Carlton.
Sure.
How do you relate to the foundry efforts around the world, AT&T foundry efforts?
We have a lot of overlap. In fact, just organizationally, I happen to have both folks in the developer program and in the foundry. They're very closely related in what we call our two pillars of innovation, openness and collaboration, right? They're both instantiations of our openness, and they're the places where we collaborate. We collaborate with people beyond just the developer community, though, in the foundry. The foundry is a broader sort of innovative experience, but we often will start a project in a developer program and move it to a foundry and vice versa. We've also built tool sets in our foundry program that are used in our developer program. In fact, our API platform itself was built in our foundries.
And if I wanted more information on that testing platform, Arrow, where would I find it?
You go to our developer program. That's developer.att.com.
All right, thank you so much.
Thank you.